Thinking about now our Kurbani for this year 2025. Now time check is 8:25 a.m. What time you will make another sabah?
After it become dry.
After 1 hour maybe. So this is another. This is one. We have to make sacrifice, and also this one. Now that one is eating. This one. They are both he goats, bakra. They are 1 year last May 16. My husband care him too much. They care them too much. That's why, mashallah, they are very healthy. Bring them in jungle to eat grasses or leaves. Then aside from bringing them in jungle, we give them also feeds for goats from market. So that's why they grow very fast. 1 year, you see, after 1 year. And today is June 7. Today is Eid Day. Eid, Eid Adha.
Now he's relaxed.
Eh?
Now he's very relaxed.
It's not, no. He like to take a bath, mashallah. Finish taking a bath before making sacrifice or slaughter or zabah. We have to let him to take a bath. After become dry or after 1 hour now, my husband will sabah for our sacrifice. This year, 2025, June 7. And today is Saturday. And time check is 8:35 a.m. Now we put hair and my husband will make slaughter hair. So after become dry, my husband will sabah. You see, here in this tree of apricot. Next to take a bath. He's moving. Eh, be careful. Why he's making like that? Now ready to slaughter after dry. Maybe after 30 minutes. And this one. After taking a bath and after will become dry, now it's ready to slaughter now. Or zabah. My husband, he will be the one to make also. Our Korbani sacrifice for June 7, 2025. This is mother and she delivered last year, May 16. Okay. This one and this one. So we make zaba or slaughter my husband after become dry. After 1 hour or 30 minutes. Our Korbani for year 2025 June 7, and today is Saturday. Time check is 9 a.m. Before 30 minutes my husband will make slaughter or zaba now. This one and also this one. They are both he goats, and they are 1 year last May 16. Fruits of apricots, some are green and some already ripe. Now you can eat now this one. This is tree of apricot. And today is June 7, Eid ul-Adha to all Muslims around the world. And this is our Qurbani sacrifice for this year 2025, June 7. This one and this one. Yan, tingnan nyo. Inaamoy niya ang aking ano. Kurbani namin. Mamaya-maya konti ano na. Kakatayan na nila kay. He's making sound. And also this one. Ayan. Dalawa sila. Ayan. Okay. They are eating these feeds of goats. This they call it here. What you call it? Sorry. This one. So must be they will eat first before making zaba or slaughter. Last time they will eat foods for goats. After 30 minutes, it will, my husband will make zaba or slaughter now. Because it's already dry, no? Their feathers or hairs. They will eat also apricots. Last time to eat apricots, ripe apricots with feeds of goats. This is, they call it here, sorry. Before 30 minutes, my husband will make zaba or slaughter now for our Eid 2025. Today is June 7, and now I think time check is 9:10 a.m. Eid ul-Adha 2025. Okay, enjoy eating. Enjoy eating. Mashallah. Mashallah. Eh? I go now up because I cannot take when my husband will make slaughter. Hindi ko kaya tingnan. Ayan. Ayan yung sacrifice namin na kurbani. Ngayong 2025 Eid ul Adha. Maya-maya konti kakatayin na nila kay aakyat na ako kasi hindi ko kaya na tingnan na habang kinakatay ito.